In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly convert numbers to percentages in Excel. This technique is incredibly useful for anyone who works with data, whether you're managing budgets or analyzing survey results. We'll go through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have a new tool in your Excel arsenal. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Excel spreadsheet and locate any empty cell. It doesn't matter which one you choose, as this is just a temporary step. Once you've selected your cell, simply type the number 1, followed by the percentage sign. This might seem a little odd right now, but what you're actually doing is setting up a benchmark of sorts, a conversion tool that we'll use in just a moment. With that done, the next step is to copy this value. You can do this easily by pressing Ctrl and the letter C on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command instead of Control. Now this copied value will act as our multiplier for converting numbers to percentages. Next, choose the cells that contain the numbers you want to change into percentages. Click and drag if you're doing more than one cell at a time. Once highlighted, take your attention up to the upper left corner of your Excel window. Here on the Home ribbon, you'll see a drop-down menu under the Paste option. Give it a click. Now in this drop-down list, rather than do a regular paste, look for Paste Special. A dialog box will pop up, and from there you'll see several different options for how you can paste your content. So here's the trick. Look for and select Multiply. By choosing Multiply, you're instructing Excel to take every selected number and multiply it by the 1% we copied earlier. This essentially tells Excel, turn these numbers into percentages. And there you have it. Once you hit OK, all the numbers you highlighted will be instantly converted into percentages. They should each now have a percentage sign next to them, confirming the transformation. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. It's such a handy tip, especially if you're working with large sets of data and need to make quick, accurate conversions. If you enjoyed this tip and want more Excel shortcuts and insights, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We'd also love it if you subscribed to the channel and joined our community where we share useful tech tips every week. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.